Hello, my name is Marcie Doonan and I am at 5565 Coster Place in Dallas in Kamloops, British Columbia. This house is brand new, absolutely gorgeous, and can easily be suited. And I'm just excited to show you this house. So, my name is Marcie Doonan. I'm with 𝐢𝐽𝐫 Realty and I'm a real estate agent here in Kamloops. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm here to help you with all of your real estate needs. If you're not new to my channel, welcome back and thank you again for coming back. I appreciate it every time. Before we go any further, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so then that way you're notified of any of my new videos coming out, because I will keep showing you these gorgeous homes. Without further ado, let's go view 5565 Coster Place. It's gorgeous. This home has 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an ensuite. The square footage is 2,833. Beautifully finished, brand new basement entry home with potential for an in-law suite and has lots of space. This home includes a nice foyer with access to the 2-car garage. The main floor has 9-foot ceilings and hardwood throughout the home. The yard is partially fenced and has been landscaped. I say a house is beautiful, I'm not lying. I'm not a liar. I'm not going to fib you on these kinds of things. It can easily be suited. It's brand new. It's in a cul-de-sac. If this is something you'd like to view, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is up above as per usual. And just always remember, if you're thinking of moving, call Marcie Doonan. Cheers.